Hi guys, welcome to another Unreal Engine video tutorial, and today we are going to talk about how we can package our project inside Unreal Engine. So Unreal Engine 5.4 has just been released, and I'm going to teach you guys how you can package your project for Android projects. Okay, so if you work with mobile project or if you work with virtual reality project, you must understand how you package your project, right? So first thing guys, I have already downloaded my Unreal Engine 5.4 and I'm going to launch a virtual reality project so we can test and we can package our project. Okay, so while Unreal Engine 5.4 is loading, I'm going to show you what we have to download to package our project. So if you go into our documentation of Unreal Engine 5.4, you can see the recommended version of SDK, NDK, and JDK. Okay, so the JDK version is the version 17 and the SDK is 33. Okay, but your minimum compilation is for 30 or above. Okay, so if you are going to shipping or for shipping, you can use 26. Okay, so right here you can see the version of the Android Studio is the version Flamingo 2022.2.1. Okay, this is the version that you guys have to download. So let's do that. So let's go into Android Studio website. And now we are going to find the archive of our Android Studio. Okay, right here you can click on download archives here. Now we just have to accept the terms and condition, and now we just have to find this version here, May 23. Okay, May 24, sorry, of the year 23. Okay, so let's find it right here. This is the exact version, Android Studio Flamingo 2022 2.1 patch number 2, right? 2022 2.1, perfect. This is what we are going to download it. So click it and wait to download begin. Okay, guys, one thing that you have to understand, I already have Android Studio 4.0, so I'm not going to take these settings from 4.0 to Android Studio Flamingo. Okay, so this is very important. When you download the new Android Studio, you don't take the same settings to the newer one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's taking a while. Perfect, guys. So now we just double click it and install our Android Studio Flamingo. Okay, right here we can click to uninstall the previous version. As I said to you guys, we don't need that version anymore because now we are going to work with 5.4. okay, so click next. He's basically telling us that we'll remove everything from the previous version, so accept it. And then install it. Okay, inside Unreal Engine browser, I'm going to create a virtual reality game, this one. And then back to Android Studio, press next and finish. Perfect. So now I'm going to open my Android Studio and let's download our SDK NDK inside Android Studio. Okay. Okay guys, now inside Android Studio, let's download our SDK and NDK. Okay, go to more actions and SDK manager. Perfect. So the first thing that we are going to do is to set our Android SDK location. So you can see right here, my SDK is going to be installed inside this folder here. Okay, if you guys have this part here blank, then please go to edit and choose your SDK location. Okay, this is very important step. Okay, so now let's go back to our documentation here. You can see that we already know we already installed our SDK Studio version. Now we are going to install our SDK. So it's recommended SDK 33 and minimum 30, but which one of NDK we have to install? So the NDK version is the 25B, and the build tools it's 33.0.1. Okay, this is very important information. So inside Android Studio, we just have to install this guy here. Every other guy you can disinstall, you can uninstall it, sorry. Just so set Android 33. Okay, and inside SDK tools, what you're going to do, you're going to enable this guy here, so show package details. Okay, enable it, and you can see difference at SDK build tools. Okay, so the build tools that we are going to check is this one, and every other one you can disable. We are not going to use it anymore. Okay, so enable the 33.0.1 as they ask we guys to enable it. And of course we have to download our NDK. So which one is the version R2025B? So the version R25B is this guy here, so 25.1. okay, so enable this guy here, and of course enable the command to line, so you can check everything. Okay, this is not very heavy to install it in your computer, so check everything. And then the CMake, make sure that you have installed 3.10 and 3.22. okay, then just click on apply and install your Android Studio. Next step, we're going to install our JDK. Okay guys, so for our JDK, just type JDK download. Then you can go to Java archives right here, then click on Java 17. okay, and the version that we are going to need is 17.0.6. so right here, this guy here, Java SE development kit, and download for Windows or something else that you are using. In my case, I'm working with Windows, so I'm installing this guy. Okay, if you want to make sure that your Java is installed, go to your CMD prompt command and then type Java version right here. So press enter and you can see the version of Java that you install. In my case, I installed the version 17.0.11. So it will work. It will also work. So you don't have to worry about it. If you install 17.0.6 or above, it's going to work. So don't worry about it. Okay, guys. So after download this guy, just double click and install inside your computer. It's very simple step. You guys are going to will manage to make everything work. Okay guys, so now we are inside Unreal Engine. Let's see how we can package our project. So I open a virtual reality template right here, and we are going to package our project. So first thing first, let's go inside our project settings, making sure we have VR template enabled. Inside our package, we are going to check full rebuild. Okay, also now we go into Android. We are going to package for 33 as recommended for Epic Games. Check APK. Okay, and finally we are going to Android SDK. So inside Android SDK, we are going to find our SDK folder. Okay, so if you don't know where is your SDK folder, then open your Android Studio and you can see where you download your SDK. So go to inside SDK manager, and this is the folder where your SDK is. Okay, so copy here and then select the paste. Okay, and then inside your NDK, just have to click NDK in the folder 25.1. okay, and for JDK, you usually find your Java folder inside your C local disk, programs file, Java, and JDK 17. Then double click and select the folder. Then your folder path should look like this. And this, remember to put 33 right here because we are going to build using API level 33. Okay, then we can go back into our viewport, click platform, Android, package, select the folder where you want to package your project, and then just click to package your project. If you want, you can follow your packaging happening right here. So I will wait to package our project, and I will pause the video, and when it's done I will come back and show you guys if it worked or not. Okay, so see you soon. Okay guys, so as you can see, the package was completed and the build was successful. Okay, so if you guys face any trouble packaging your file or something like that, please use the comment section below, and I see you on the next video. Bye bye.